Hi everyone, Angela here. Today we're going to be using ribbon to wrap around and cover a hair comb. You will need a plastic hair comb, 1/4 inch satin ribbon, double-sided tape, clippers or scissors, and needle and thread. Cut 2 pieces of ribbon about 1 inch long. Now take your comb and place some double-sided tape right along that bottom edge about 1/2 inch on either side on both ends of the comb, and then peel the tape. Now wrap both sides of the comb with the small pieces of ribbon, sticking them on right side up right along that bottom edge. Starting 1/4 inch in from the end, place your tape right along the front of the comb and stopping about 1/4 inch in from the other end. Now flip your comb around and just place a small piece of tape 1/4 inch in from the end and peel. On the back of the comb, place the end of your ribbon on an angle and overlap it so that it covers the edge of that first little piece of ribbon. Bring the ribbon around and then push it through that opening between the first 2 teeth and just squeeze it in the middle in the center. Keep bringing the ribbon around and overlap the edges as you're bringing it around to that first opening again. Squeeze through and then bring it around, overlap, and push it through the second opening. Just continue to wrap and overlap till you get close to the end of the other side. The stickiness of this double-sided tape is going to keep everything nicely in place. So we just need to finish off the very end of the comb. Wrap your ribbon around the corner, and you'll see that there's still a little bit of the plastic showing there. So let's just put the tiniest little piece of double-sided tape so that we can cover up that plastic bit. Pull your ribbon around tight to cover up that little piece of tape, and then push through that last opening of the comb, bringing your ribbon around to the back. Now cut your ribbon, leaving about 1 inch to tuck under. Tuck in the end of the ribbon and hold it in place. Now just sew a few stitches on the end of the ribbon and also pull in those loose edges of the ribbon as well. Make a loop with your thread to create a knot, and do this again for some extra strength. And there you have it, your ribbon wrapped hair comb. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy sewing.